Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Too Much Tech, and today we're going to be doing a much needed upgrade. Today we're going to be upgrading the keycaps on my Ducky 1.2 full-size keyboard to some newer double shot PBTs. The old keys were kind of crappy, and I think I kind of realized that I got to get used to the feel of double shot PBTs. These do feel a little bit better than the other keys that I had that came stock on the Ducky, but yeah, I guess they just kind of have a grainy texture. I just was not aware of that because I'm so used to using like Razor keys and Corsair keys, and they're all like kind of different. So other than that, that's besides the point. The keys that I ended up getting were these HyperX double shot PBT shine throughs. They're pretty popular on Amazon at like 25 bucks. And yeah, I decided to give them a try because I thought they looked really cool. And they are, because I already had them on my keyboard and I had to reshoot the intro to this video, and you can see it right here. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys just a little bit like some sped up clips of me putting the keys on. I kid you not, guys, like this keycap puller, this is the best thing I've ever used. Like this keycap puller made it so easy. It was ridiculous. Like the Ducky keycap puller it's okay, but not even close to how good this one is. This keycap puller that came in the HyperX box made this junk so easy, and that was part of the reason why it took so long to pick a set, because I didn't really want to switch out the keycaps. So yeah, I'm glad this whole transition was easy. I'm really glad. But other than that, yeah, you guys go ahead and watch the clips, and I talk a little bit in there, but not too much. So I think it looks really sweet. You guys probably will too if you guys like it. And then yeah, like the video, subscribe. Peace. I made a much bigger mess than I thought I would. Alright, boys, so the keycaps that we went with are the double shot PBTs from HyperX. Hopefully they don't feel grainy. They don't really look like they do. They do look like a pretty similar material, but at least they're translucent on the bottom. So worst come to worst, if I hate them, I'll just buy some more. Maybe I'll buy some like blue ones next time. But these to me look really cool, and they're pretty popular. Top picks on Amazon. So I was like, huh, why not? So go ahead and get them open, and then we'll get the keyboard over here as well. See what's in here. This is pretty much what comes in the box, and yeah, all right, let's get to the keyboard and start pulling these caps. Let's see if this keycap puller is better than the Ducky one. Oh yeah, this is way better. That Ducky one was kind of weird, honestly. Yeah, this is way quicker. Holy crap. So what I was thinking, I was gonna put the arrow keys on WASD. This is the easiest keycap puller I've ever used in my life. Part of the reason what took me so long on like picking new keycaps was this whole process of like swapping everything out. And yeah, I kid you not, I would buy this just for this keycap puller. Like this thing is a lifesaver. This thing just makes it so quick. All you literally do, just press down, pull up, that's it. All right, boys. Yeah, we are done. This is our new Ducky keyboard. I don't know, dude. Maybe this is just double shot PBTs. They kind of just got this slightly grainy texture to it. I'm just gonna have to get used to it. I do tell a little bit of a difference though between like these like red Ducky keys and the HyperX keys. The finish is a little bit different. I do like the finish a little bit better on the HyperX ones. So there's a very minor difference, but yeah, maybe it's just because Razor keys kind of feel a little bit colder to the touch. I don't know. It's cool though. I like these new keys. I'm wondering what it's gonna look like with the white backplate and the RGBs now. So yeah, let's check that out and then see what I think of it. All right, I think that looks significantly better than it used to. I think this looks so sick. I'm completely satisfied with these new keys. Honestly, like, these are sweet, dude. These are freaking sweet. I like them a lot. I don't really know what else to say. It's just totally different. Like, you think that a Razer does have like the best chroma, and honestly, they do. But when you change up the keycaps on a keyboard that is not as good as a Razer as far as lighting goes, not quality and switches and stuff, but just lighting. Dude, this looks so much better. Like, this changed my entire opinion on the RGBs of the keyboard. I already thought that they were good, but this keycap set just makes it look so much better. Highly recommend this one. It looks incredible. Like, even if which one is it? F10? Yeah, like, look at that. That just looks so sweet. Looks really good. Can't wait to use it. Yeah, guys, I think that it turned out really good. I actually really like these keycaps, and I wish I would have bought them even sooner and used them on previous keyboards, because, yeah, they're pretty freaking sweet. I don't know if I'm even going to change them now. Like, before, I thought about getting, like, some blue and gray ones, but, not anymore. Maybe once I get bored, I'll switch it up and change up the color. But, I think these are gonna keep me entertained for a while, so I'm cool with these. All right, but if you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.